Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I will show you some beautiful and latest designs for baby girls coats patterns made with crochets, and these are handmade crochet baby girl coats, like adding a special touch and value to the garment. Crochet coats often have a practical features such as buttons or zippers, and making them easy to put on and take off. Yeah, like their style. Crochet coats come in various styles from classic to trendy, making them a fashionable addition to a baby girl's wardrobe. And crochet coats are durable and can withstand multiple washes and wears. Like, the quality of crochets are top notch, so I would definitely recommend you if you are planning to buy or doing something good for your kid. So it's a good time to invest in crochet patterns, or you can knit it by yourself if you love to do crochet. And yeah, crochet cords are thick and warm, making them perfect for colder seasons, and very comfortable, very personalization. Like, crochet coats can be customized with different colors and patterns, making them a unique and personalized piece of clothing. So if you are planning to do something good for your baby and you are going to give to someone else, so do go for crochets. Or if you have a shop, then you would definitely need to sell these type of coats because they are now very trending. Thank you so much. Bye bye.